Hello and welcome. My name is Robert. I will be your host today. Today you were referred here through a website because you took interest in the debt settlement industry. This is a great opportunity. There's never been a time in history to be part of this phenomenal industry. So let's get started here. What is debt settlement? Debt settlement is a mechanism that proves beneficial to both lenders and borrowers. Basically, the two parties agree to settle the debt for a lesser amount than its actual value. So what we do is we help consumers who have not only credit card debt, but unsecured debt. We actually help these folks get their debt settled for literally pennies on the dollar. Now, once the lender receives the payment from the borrower, that debt is deemed to be settled. Now, why choose us? Very simple. In this industry, you have a multitude of companies that practice debt settlement. Actually, there's not many left. We've been around for well over 8 years. We have an A rating with the Better Business Bureau, which is very, very important in this industry. We've been established, like I said, for over 8 years. We have a 45-state FTC, Federal Trade Commission compliant attorney model. And what that simply means is through our network of attorneys, we can cover 45 states. That keeps it legal, that keeps it within the realm of the FTC. We can successfully reduce clients' rates, debt rate as much as 80%, or rather balances by 80% in some cases. We're a hands-on company focused on customer service, satisfaction, and results. Now, our program criteria for a client is pretty simple. Minimal debt, $10,000. Okay, whether it be a combination of credit cards, collection accounts, anything that's unsecured, technically, we can enroll, or the majority of it we can. The minimal debt per enrolled account must be $1,000. The acceptable debts are credit cards, personal loans, repossessed car loans, medical bills, those types of things. Now, your responsibility as an affiliate, the very first thing that we want you to understand is that you are responsible for getting your own clients. We do not provide leads. This affiliate program is for institutions that may already be in the financial industry or already have, you have contact with the general public. And we'll talk about that as we go through the presentation. You're going to qualify, sell the prospect on one of our programs. You're going to forward the client the agreement. In other words, you're going to take their information and input it into a web-based CRM system, forward them the agreement, contract, have them sign it, and then you're going to upload it back into the system and set up a compliance call. It's a very simple process. We basically take over from there. We're going to conduct that compliance call, and then at that point, we're going to set up what's called a face-to-face meeting. So either a legal representative will come out from the law firm, depending on what state it's in. They will sit down with that consumer, that client, again, confirm that they understand the program, and then have them sign off, initiating that they want to move forward. We will conduct monthly client follow-up calls. That helps with retention. We're also going to settle their unsecured accounts. We're going to manage any complaints, any questions, any non-sufficient funds, of course, and any cancellation. Our goal is to keep the client just as much as it's your goal. With all of this entailed, we boast roughly about a 75% retention rate. Now, the potential commission, here's where it's extremely beneficial to everyone, because not only are we settling the client's debt for pennies on the dollar and helping folks get out of debt, but we're also making a nice residual income. Now, the numbers I'm showing here are very conservative. This is assuming that the average client has $25,000 in unsecured debt load. And if you were to enroll roughly, let's say, 20 clients a month, this is the potential monthly residual income that you can anticipate earning. These are pretty accurate figures, but again, results vary from person to person. If you're going to be doing this on your own, results could be better or worse. And obviously, the more people you have involved, if you have a sales team, then obviously you could make a lot more. But as you go forward through the program, if you continually enrolled 20 clients per month at $25,000 unsecured debt load, by month number 9, you're raking in roughly about $30,000. These are real numbers, folks. That is a definite. This industry has been around for a while, and again, it depends on you and how well, again, you must have your own leads. But the business is out there. Everyone is in debt right now, and everyone needs this program. You might have a client who is not able to file bankruptcy because they've already filed bankruptcy within the last 7 or 8 years. They might be behind on their credit card debt, or they're just struggling to make their credit card payments. Those are the people that we want in this program. This is not for the individual who is not struggling. The person who has perfect credit, the person who is able to make their monthly unsecured credit card payments and whatnot. This is for the person who is considering bankruptcy, who's behind, who's struggling. And that's probably about 70 to 80% of our country. Now, you are going to be paid every week by wire. You have the ability to go into your back office. You can track your commissions. You can see what you're getting paid. Everything is tracked for you. You can see if someone canceled, and perhaps we follow up with them as well, but you may also want to follow up with that client. You have complete control and complete access. Now, if you are, like I said, an attorney, or if you have a mortgage company, you're a real estate company, anyone who has direct contact with the general public, you may be working in the loan modification industry or credit repair or credit restoration. Every person is a potential client. They don't have to be a homeowner. Everyone carries unsecured debt in this country. There is a one-time startup cost of $499. That's very inexpensive in comparison to what you're getting and the potential of making a huge residual income for yourself. That's going to cover your setup, your initial training, getting your username and your passwords. All of this stuff takes time, folks. It's a one-time fee. There are no monthly fees, whether you have one person set up under your system or if you have a team of people. There are no monthly fees. It's $499 flat fee. Getting started is simple. You're going to contact me. My name is Robert at recruiterbranch@gmail.com. Again, recruiterbranch@gmail.com. When you reach out to me, please, be a little specific. I saw your ad. I saw your presentation. I'm interested in moving forward. I am going to conduct a telephone interview with you. We're not out to take people's money. That's not what this is about. We have to make sure that you're a fit for us and we are a fit for you. We're very selective on who we're going to bring on board because we have a reputation to stand by, obviously. Not everyone will be chosen. But again, if you can show us that you have the ability, you have the ability to generate your own business, your own leads, and you have a platform in place, maybe you have an office or you work from home, it's just yourself or you have a group of people, we can certainly provide the platform for you to make an amazing amount of money. So folks, reach out to me. Let me know if there's anything we can help you with. Take care.